Hello everyone. Today we will discuss disorders of human excretory system. Disorders of excretory system. So the disorders, first disorder uremia. First disorder uremia. So the uremia means excess amount of urea presenting on the blood. Excess amount of urea presenting on the blood is called as uremia. Excess amount of urea presenting on blood is called as uremia. Excess amount of urea presenting on the blood is called as uremia. Excess amount of urea presenting on blood is called as uremia. So they are majorly caused to the kidney failure persons, they causing to the uremia. Also presenting on the hypertension persons and glomerulonephritis persons, so they are causing to the uremia. So they are these prevention. So they are the only one prevention is the dialysis process. So the removal of urine from the blood. So they are the uremia. Simple one. Uremia means excess amount means more amount of urea presenting in the blood. So these are called as uremia. So they are majorly causing to the kidney failure, hypertension persons. The next one glomerulonephritis persons. So they are other disorders persons, they causing to the uremia. So these prevention means, so they are the dialysis process, they are curing to the dialysis process. Next one renal calculi. Second disorder renal calculi. So the renal calculi means, so the kidney stones. Renal calculi means kidney stones. So the kidney stones, they the excretory tract, they contain a hard crystalline particles. Hard crystalline substances presenting on the urinary tract. So they are called as renal calculi. So the kidney stones majorly formed by the uric acid and oxalates. Uric acid and oxalates, they formation of kidney stones. Kidney stones means does not a stones. So these stones like structures, they forming of the uric acid and oxalates. So they formation of the stone like structures from the urinary tract. So they are the renal calculi. So they are the major effect. More amount of urine is excretion. Next one, so they are the dehydration. So the major causing to the dehydration. So they are the renal calculi means kidney stones majorly formed by the uric acid and oxalates. Next one, third one is the glomerulonephritis. Glomerulonephritis means inflammation of glomeruli are small blood vessels. Of kidney. Small blood vessels of the kidney. So the glomerulonephritis means infection or inflammation of the glomeruli. Small blood vessels of the kidney. So they are called as glomerulonephritis. So they are major causing to the bacteria, virus and parasites. So they causing to the glomerulonephritis. First one, glomerulonephritis means inflammation of glomeruli or small blood vessels of kidneys. So they are called as glomerulonephritis. So these are causing to the bacteria, virus and protozoan parasites. They causing to the glomerulonephritis. Next one, renal failure. Next one, renal failure. Renal failure means, so they are the kidney failure. Kidney failure. Kidney failure. So the kidney failure means kidney does not functioning. So they are the kidney failure. So the kidney failure majorly causing to the hypertension persons. Hypertension persons. Next one, the diabetes mellitus persons. Diabetes mellitus persons. So they are causing to the renal failure. Renal failure. So this kidney failure. So these persons are the using to the dialysis process. Dialysis process. So they are the artificial kidney. Artificial kidney. So they are the dialysis instrument. So they are the dialysis. So they are the 4 disorders: uremia, renal calculi, glomerulonephritis and kidney failure. Next one, artificial kidney. Next one, artificial kidney. So the artificial kidney means dialyzer. So they are the dialyzer. Hemodialysis. Hemodialysis. For example, so they are the hemodialyzer, artificial kidney. First one, so the person are damaging to the kidneys, that both kidneys are the damaged, that persons, so the filtering of the blood, so they are using from the artificial kidney. So they are the dialysis process. Dialysis process. First of all, the blood taken out through the artery. The blood taken out through the artery. So the artery is only pumping only oxygenated blood. So the blood receiving from the arteries. So they are the artery, the blood is receiving. So this blood outside, the blood coming from the outside. So they are adding to the blood anticoagulant. Adding to the blood anticoagulant. So these are the heparin. Adding to the heparin. The blood, for example, so this persons, I have a both kidneys are the damaged. So they are the dialysis process. Blood taken from the artery. So the main artery, the blood taken outside. They taken from the outside. So they are adding from the anticoagulant, blood anticoagulant. So the blood anticoagulant is the heparin is adding from the outside the blood. So this blood entering from the dialyzer. The blood entering from the dialyzer machine. So they are the dialyzer. So this dialyzer machine, they formed, they prepared by the cellophane membranes. They are prepared by the cellophane membranes. So this dialyzer only filtering from the small plasma proteins, does not filtering from the large plasma proteins, large molecules, only filtering from the small plasma proteins and uric acid and urea. So they are the filtering from the dialyzer. So the uric acid and urea separate from the dialyzer. So they are the separate from the blood. So the filtering blood, this entering from the outside. First of all, blood entering from the dialyzer. In this dialyzer, filtering from the blood, they are presenting on the membranes. These membranes are the filtering. These membranes only allowing from the small molecules. Large plasma proteins does not filtering, only allowing from the small molecules are urea and uric acid. So they are the separated. The filtering blood entering from the outside, go to the outside. These filtering blood, they are adding to the blood anti-heparin, adding to the anti-heparin. Adding to the anti-heparin. First of all, adding to the heparin, blood anticoagulant, blood filtering. After adding to the anti-heparin, so these are entering to the human vein. So they are allowed to the human vein. Blood receiving only artery, blood entering only human vein. So the purified blood entering to the human vein. So these are the dialysis process. Simple, blood taken from the artery, adding to the heparin, blood entering to the dialyzer, they filtering from the blood. After filtering blood, going to the outside. So these blood entering from the anti-heparin, adding to the anti-heparin. So they are allowed to the human vein. So they are the hemodialysis process. So this entire process complete from the 2 to 6 hours. 2 to 6 hours. So this entire process complete from the 2 to 6 hours. So they are the hemodialysis, artificial kidney. So the thousands of people dialyzing per day for the worldwide. Next one, so they are the another one is the kidney transplantation. Kidney transplantation. Kidney transplantation. So the kidney transplantation means, for example, one person, the kidneys, both kidneys are the damaged. One human being, the both kidneys are the damaged. So the relatives. So this person, the relative, these are the relative. So they are the donor from the one kidney is donate. These kidney so fixed in the damaged persons. So they are called as kidney transplantation. One person, both kidneys are the damaged. So they are the one donor, relative donor, majorly receiving only relatives. So the relative kidney donation, these kidney fixed in the damaged persons. So they are called as kidney transplantation. So they are the in the modern medicines. So they are the very successful kidney transplantation process. So the kidney transplantation. So they are the disorders and hemodialyzer, artificial kidney. So the accelerator system is completed. Human accelerator system is completed.